I traveled a long way to bring this to you. I'm here in the Vintage Toy Freedom headquarters in Erlanger, Kentucky, but I actually acquired this in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. You might be familiar with Pawtucket, Rhode Island, because it is the headquarters of Hasbro, which obviously created G.I. Joe, Transformers. Let's see if there's any other Hasbro. Well, obviously the G.I. Joes are Hasbro. They did My Little Pony, Mr. Potato Head, all kinds of different things. But I was in Boston, and I thought I should go down to Pawtucket and just see the Hasbro World headquarters. It's definitely anticlimactic because there's nothing there. There's no visitor center or welcome center or anything like that. It's just like a building. It says Hasbro, but it's just such a big part of my life, things that come out of Pawtucket, Rhode Island, so I had to make the 45-minute drive down. But they did have a little antique mall there, and I picked up this guy. This is a Super Alternators. This is from TOMY from 1986. And TOMY made all kinds of weird little toys and games and all kinds of stuff like that. Now they're actually merged with Takara, who originally made Transformers and other things. And they kind of distributed and made certain toy lines in Japan and things like that. But yeah, I got this guy for $5. I'm going to open him up. He's not in great shape, and I want to see him. I want to see quick the vehicle changes to a robot. So an obvious, cheap Transformer knockoff from one of their competitors, Takara's competitors. And this thing is old. I mean, this is 31 years old. Not often I get a carded toy from 1986. You can see there's the whole line of them. They're transformed. This is the Hovercraft. Swing arms around, swing out claws, flip a face, pull back, and let it go. Let's see. I gotta find a hard surface. I should have done this in my kitchen. There he goes, man. That's still works, right? He's been dying to do that. He's been in prison for 31 years in this cell. It's gone all, who knows where this little guy's been. So, let's see. Swing arms around. Swing out claws. A little tricky to do with one hand. And flip up face. That is a... Wait a minute, is that his front? Okay, that's his front. I was going to say. So yeah, obviously a knockoff, but who doesn't love a good knockoff? Super Alternator. And it's obviously cool. It's got the little kind of wind-up feature. And some of the TOMY toys, I had these little wind-up. They were like remakes, but it was a this box, and it had these two sumo wrestlers, and you wound them up, and they would fight and stuff like that. So they did a lot of little wind-up things. Not a whole lot going on with this guy. I mean, he does have some articulation, so that's actually a bit surprising. He's kind of bent at the elbows, but because he has like claws, it doesn't really do a whole lot. So I don't know. Anyway. This is the TOMY 1986 Super Alternators Hovercraft. So let's get him back in his Hovercraft mode. He just couldn't wait to be pulled back and let go. He is a Super Alternator. So there he is as a Hovercraft. He's gonna shoot right off there into my pile of dirty laundry. So thanks for watching.